In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix hHl.dll file missing in Windows 11. So let's get started. First is you have to check your system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Take note of your system type and then simply open a browser and search for the missing DLL. Simply put download and hit enter. Now click on the first option, scroll down, and simply click the download button corresponding to your system type and wait for this to be downloaded. Click on the folder icon and then right click, select extract all, click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click, select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, locate the System32 folder. So if you're a 64-bit, go to System32. If you're a 32-bit, go to SYS Wow 64. Then right-click and then select Paste. Click on Replace the file in the destination. Now once done, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Next method is to update your Windows. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to download and install the latest updates that your Windows 11 needs. So simply make sure that your Windows is also updated. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.